because of the impact of the agents of erosion. Okay. So, here we will look at now different type of landform where it is some basic concepts we need to do. Erosion is possible up to what level? Erosion of a particular region in a particular space, erosion is possible up to what level? कहाँ तक erosion possible है? Up to the sea level. That's why sea level is known as the global base level also. Again I said, erosion in a geographical space is possible up to the sea level, which is called as the base level. Sea level, which is called as the base level. Sea level is called as the base level. Sea level, which is called as the base level. So I am saying erosion is a geographical in a geographical space. Erosion in a geographical space. Okay, in a geographical space. मतलब कोई भी एक geographical region में अगर erosion होता है, is possible up to sea level, that is the base level. The optimum level up to which erosion is possible. कहाँ तक erosion possible होगा? Optimum level up to which is possible is called as the base level. Now, this sea level is known as the global base level. This sea level is called as the, what is that? Global base level. Sea level is called as global base level. This is called as the global base level. Sea level is called as the global base level. Again I am saying, sea level is called as the global base level. The optimum level up to which erosion is possible is the global base level. The optimum level up to which erosion is possible is the global base level. जहाँ तक जितना गहराई तक पॉसिबल है वो है ग्लोबल बेस लेवल है. That is sea level. There are three types of base level, local base level, regional base level and global base level. Base level are of three types. Base level, I said, optimum level up to which erosion is possible okay, optimum level up to which erosion is possible is base level. So it can be, there are three types. A, I said local base level, B is regional base level, and C is the global base level. Three types of base level you have: regional, local and global. Three types of base level you have: regional, local and global. Okay. Local base level, regional base level and global base level. Three types of base level you have. Local base level is lowest point of a specific locality. Lowest level in a regional locality. Regional, in a small region, it is known as regional. आप एक एग्जाम्पल मैं देता हूँ. Let us talk about in West Bengal. The base level up to which, let us say, in Kolkata, Salt Lake region, optimum level up to which the erosion is possible is the Subhas Sarovar or Subhas Pond, something is there, एक स्विमिंग पूल जैसा है near the stadium. That is the lowest point there. But if you look at Kolkata, lowest, in the entire Kolkata regions, erosion is possible up to Hooghly River. That is the regional. Hooghly River base level is the regional one. But global one, if you look at the sea level is the global base level here. So, three things I said: locality, if with response to or in accordance with a small locality is local base level, a specific region is regional base level, if it is in the global context, global base level. I hope it is clear to you. These are base level, the optimum level up to which erosion is possible, right? Now, in this way, if you will see, as I said about the landforms, different types of landform I was talking about. Landform developed due to different agents of erosion. So, while you will have different agents of erosion, I state two things here. Somewhere you have erosion, somewhere you have deposition also. There are two things, erosion and deposition. Aggradation and degradation. Aggradation क्या है? Deposition जहाँ होगा वो aggradation होगा. Degradation is erosion. So, we have landform can be aggradational landform, that is depositional landform, degradational landform, that is the erosional landform, and during the transportation of the sediment from the eroded sediment goes downward. So, in which also there is transformation of the relief features we are having. So, different type of landform we are having. Let us look at now what are the major types of landform developed by river. River as the agent of erosion, running water as the agent of erosion. We are getting question from this in our preliminary exam about the landforms. Once in the mains also we got it. So, we will discuss about this. So, first chapter or topic here on this is landform developed by running water, known as the fluvial landform. Let me tell you, there are different type of landform developed in different processes. So, agent of erosion and the geomorphic process. Standard base level, why it is required? Global base level is the standard base level, my dear. You remember this, okay? Global base level is standard base level. Agent of erosion, for an example, running water. Your process and landforms. क्या होगा? रनिंग वाटर को बोलते हैं फ्लूवियल लैंडफॉर्म्स. Fluvial landforms, running water. Running water means by a river. Running water is that river. By river action, whatever landform will get is fluvial. By wind, because of wind action, it is aeolian. Aeolian landforms. Wind action. If it is glacier, it is glacial landforms. Glacial landforms. If it is groundwater, it is karst landform. Karst landforms. Karst landform is the groundwater. Groundwater is karst landform. Okay, karst landform is groundwater. If it is sea wave, it is marine landform. Marine landform. Marine landform. Oh, these are very common landforms type: running water, wind, glacier, groundwater and sea wave. So, different type of landform you have named it differently, like if it is because of running water, fluvial. Okay. Now, the question is, as in the case here, one question I got it. Why a standard base level is not considered? How different is mean sea level from all the base level? My friends, always we take, while you measure the height of a particular region, you know, base level you take, that is the sea level. Average of intertidal zone, as you know that sea level of ebb tide and flow tide take place. Can you measure the sea level at the, yes, the average of advancing sea wave and the low tide and ebb, average of this position we are taking at the sea level. Okay. Circan erosion occurs in the sea floor or mountain present inside the water. Yes, it is there, wave action se honge wo bhi, but that is like, you know, inside this undercurrent se hoga. Yes, it is there. Now, in general, over the landscape, over the exposed landscape, we are talking about the sea level here. So, erosion on the earth surface, it is on the upper surface, whatever erosion is there, that is we are talking about. Okay. Rest question I will take later on. So, as I have just mentioned about these agent of erosion and the geomorphic processes, first I will go for the fluvial landform. First, let us look at the fluvial landform. Fluvial landforms. So, these are the landform developed due to flow of water. Again I am saying these are the landform developed due to running water. So, here as I said about two types of landform, erosional and depositional. Let me give you an impression of a in a diagram and let me explain it to you. You all see here. Or let us do one thing here, let me modify this. If a river is flowing from here, a river is flowing originated from here and gradually it is going down, that is gradually okay. If a river originates here, this is known as the head stream. Head stream, head or source point, source region. This is the head or the source region. This is head of the source region you are here. And this is here is near. If I will take this is the cross section I have given, the river is flowing in this way. This is the river here, this river is flowing in this way. Look at here, mostly the most dominant action will be here. What is that? ये action देखो. What is the most important action will be here? Here mostly erosion will be there. Here mostly transportation. And here mostly deposition of sediments. Erosion by the river in the upper part will be there. This segment will be known for only erosion, mostly it will be known for erosion. This is for, as you know, erosion, and here it is for transportation, below this is for deposition. 3 point I said. Here erosion and transportation both will go on. In this part, if I will say erosion and transportation both will go on, is not it? Here only transportation will be, deposition and transportation going on. Here only transportation goes on. So here you have change in the slope may leads to different segment in the river itself, from the mountain to the mouth of the river. This is the mouth of the river. ये source है तो ये क्या है? Mouth of the river. This is called as the mouth of the river. Mouth of river. This is the mouth of the river. This is the source or head of the river. I hope you are well aware about this. Erosion, transportation and deposition, 3 different action in the same river valley at 3 different places you have. Erosion, transportation and deposition. So we have different landform, that's why at different places. Upper part you have more slopy regions, gravity is more, so definitely in this part valley deepening will be there. Valley cut करेगा, पानी जब बहेगा it will erode and it forms carved regions with river valley. Valleys will be there, deep valleys can be formed here. Because of this there will be possibility of deep valleys here. Okay, deep valley होंगे यहाँ पे. Source region, transportation and deposition I said. 3 things I told you. Let me now move on to the next. In case of this, in other diagram, another diagram I will draw now, see here. Let us say here is the river. This is the ocean here. This is the ocean. This river which is originated here, this is a river here, it is originated. Here you have meandering of the river takes place and this is like this. There is possibility of oxbow lakes also. You have in this case in the river mouth, here you have deposition of sediments may be there, deposition may be there, and the branching of the river is possibility is there. This river which is flowing in this direction, this is the river which is flowing. See here, this is the river. In a river, if I will go from its origin point, you see here to this one, you will find out this type river. Here I have shown you the direction, path or direction of this see, the flow of water will be like this. The arrow shows the flow of water, and here, as I have mentioned, how in between you have some region where you have deposition of sediment will be there. Why the deposition of sediment? What is the cause behind this? We will see that. क्यों ये deposition होता है? Carrying capacity of the river, stream, energy, kinetic energy of the stream, that is more important here for this. Kinetic energy कितना है stream का, वो सबसे important है. Based on that only you have this. Okay, so as it is given, there is no erosion in the entire path. Some of you are asking, sir, erosion क्या नहीं होगा चारों तरफ? नहीं होता है. Erosion will be that deposition dominates in the lower course. Okay, because when the river, आप मुझे ये बताओ, erosion that is a very minimum. If you look at this, you know, river से जो erosion हुआ तो वहीं पे deposition भी हो जाते हैं. आप देखा होगा. How can we measure sea level? अच्छा, from head till mouth of the river, should not there be erosion in the entire path of the river? See, depends on erosion. Erosion will be here up to this deposition. No, erosion will dominate here. This point here, erosion dominates. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Deposition dominate. Here what is? Transportation, erosion, deposition. Erosion plus deposition दोनों होगा. Erosion plus deposition. So with transportation, ये यहाँ पे जो है ना transportation होगा. All these things will be there. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear now? Is volume, audio volume is okay? So, this type of, you know, different type of landform, it will develop at different stages. That's what we need to look at now. What are the major types of landform it will form finally? Finally, क्या क्या landform होता है, यही देखेंगे हम. What are the landforms they develop finally? Right? Fine. What are the process involved here? यहाँ पे क्या process होगा erosion में बताओ. Now you think about this. What processes will be involved here? When a river flow, water is flowing in a particular region, what are the processes it will involve? First देखो, there will be, this river will have, first one, definitely valley deepening. It means, because of what? A valley formation is there. And the valley formation is there, so you have a V-shaped valley, this type. River valley will be like this. ये पानी इधर जा रहा है, valley का cross section if I will give, this is the cross section of the river valley. Water is there. So this is the river valley will be like this. It is called as what? V-shaped valley. V-shaped valley will form. Because of what? Why V-shaped valley? Why not in any other shape? बताओ. Why you have a V-shaped valley? Can anyone tell me why we have a V-shaped valley? Why not any other shape? My friends from science background, can you tell me please? Engineers, so many engineers are here. Please tell me, come on. Why you have a V-shaped valley? A V-shaped का valley क्यों होगा? Why not L-shaped valley or U-shaped valley or 90 degree? Why you will not get it? I-shaped valley. You know, valley कैसा होता है? V-shaped valley. V-shaped valley is like this. This is the V-shaped valley. If this is a rock, this is a block with the V-shaped valley, ये पूरे जमीन है, मिट्टी है और ये V-shaped valley बन गया. Now मेरे कहने का मतलब V-shape क्यों बनता है ये? First question is mine this one. Why will have a V-shaped valley? Why not any other shape? ऐसे V-shaped valley क्यों बनता है? Here you have the river, water is flowing in this. Cross section, if I will go for, this is the river. This is a V-shaped valley by river. My question is why you have? No answer I got. You know about laminar flow of water? देखा है कि नहीं? What do you mean by laminar flow of water? Do you have any idea? Yes? Do you have any idea on laminar flow of water? Gravitational attraction, speed of the direction flow plus narrow way, so lateral erosion. Hey, speed of the direction plus narrow way. 1 minute. Due to maximum kinetic energy of river. Okay. Due to abrasion, viscosity of the water affect the right high speed of water. Viscosity. Thank you very much. Somebody said viscosity, but exact answer I want. Flow of water is more on upper region compared to the lower regions of the river. Why? Because of viscosity, isn't it? Very good. The water heats, increased pressure will decrease the law of slope. Laminar flow of the points in the water flow remain aligned. Very good. Who said this? In laminar flow, all the points in water flow remain aligned. Yes, this is there. Okay. See, okay, stop now. Lot of answer I got. Now the thing is, what I am saying is, you can see here, water particles lower layer part has low velocity and the upper high velocity due to viscosity. So in the upper part side erosion also available. Very good. Who has given this explanation? Thank you very much. तो क्या होता है, इन्होंने सही लिखा है, somebody has given this, because in this laminar flow we have velocity of water in the upper middle part will be more, kinetic energy will be more as compared to the lower, because of friction you have, surface you have friction, side valley you have friction, below bottom you have friction, three sides friction, and middle no friction here, frictional drag is less, and here you have velocity is more. This is the major cause. So here the velocity of the water is more as compared to this part. Kinetic energy is more, so valley deepening will be more valley deepening. Always you remember, river always gives a V-shaped valley. What are the process involved? While a river flow, there are geomorphic processes. Involved in the fluvial action are geomorphic processes involved in the fluvial action are. What are the fluvial action? Geomorphic processes in fluvial action. What are the geomorphic processes in the fluvial action? First and most important, foremost one, सबसे important पहला है geomorphic processes involved in the fluvial action, in which the most important one, first one is corrosion or abrasion. Abrasion or corrosion. Corrosion. Abrasion or corrosion. What is abrasion or corrosion? While in the river, because of based on the gravity, water will flow to maintain equilibrium. While the water flows, it try to take away everything on its way, including boulders, pebbles, cobbles, जो भी है, all the stone fragments, they will take them and abrase the valley surface. Abrasion. While the strong water current flows through the valley, it takes away whatever on its way and abrase the river valley. It abrase the river valley. नदी की फ्लोर को आव्रास करेगा, घिसेगा, घिसता है ये. Mechanical grinding of the river traction, isn't it? This is the mechanical grinding of the river bottom, है ना? Mechanical grinding of the river traction load, you can say, traction load against the valley floor, against the bank and the river bed. Again I am saying, you can see mechanical grinding of the river traction load against bank and the river bend, BANK, bank and the river bend, river bank and river bend, river bed, river का दोनों किनारा और नीचे, river bed and the bank, both side. So mechanical grinding of the river traction load against bank and the river bed, abrasion. So abrasion से क्या होगा? इरोजन होता रहेगा, polished होगा surface will be more polished because of this. Okay, so second one, अच्छा, this is can be lateral corrosion और vertical corrosion, दो साइड हो सकता है. Abrasion can be, you have lateral abrasion of the river bed, of the river valley. There is possibility of lateral abrasion. Second is vertical abrasion of the river valley. Your G.C. Leong book has given all these things. Those who are completely new, please remember. Okay, lateral abrasion of the river, valley, vertical abrasion of the river valley की नीचे दोनों साइड. सो अगर lateral abrasion ज़्यादा हुआ तो वाइड हो जाएगा वैली, वर्टिकल आब्रेशन ज़्यादा हो तो डेप्थ ज़्यादा होंगे, है ना। दिस टाइप यू विल हैव lateral and vertical, two types of abrasion will be there with respect to this. इसके साथ साथ दो तरह की आब्राशन रहेंगे, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, लेटरल आब्राशन एंड वर्टिकल आब्राशन। लेटरल आब्राशन एंड वर्टिकल आब्राशन, ओके, दोनों है। आब्राशन और कोरेशन आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, मैंने कहा ये। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू। Here river basin and its flood plain is spread in a particular area. So how river sediment can refill the whole Malda gap? Now you are thinking. Earlier is the flood plain was covering the total area of gap. My friends, from upper part, all the eroded materials, there are a lot of huge 21 million years. See the level of sedimentation. Okay, so it is a gradual process, and it is definitely. We will look at in the geography of India part. You said V-shaped valley is formed due to laminar flow of the river, but is not the river flow usually turbulent? Turbulent flow is there, laminar flow I am saying because of V-shaped cutting, that is what, why the V-shaped valley, differential erosion at different level of the river depth, that is what I am saying. Is the sediments from the erosion from the head will come and deposit, will the valley be V-shaped in reality? Yes. Gradually deposition will be there. First ये upper reaches में होगा, mountainous region में ऐसे होते हैं, धीरे धीरे करके क्या होगा, इन द माउंटेनियस रीजन इट विल बी, वेल द इट गट इरोडेड, ये क्या होगा, ग्रेजुअली, देखो यहाँ पे ग्रेजुअली ये ऐसा है ना, ग्रेजुअली इट विल हैव लाइक दिस, ऐसे इरोजन होगा, इट बिकेम ए व्हाट शेप, इट इज आई शेप्ड। ओके, नाउ इट इज लाइक दिस, इट वाज लाइक दिस, अब ये ऐसे ऐसे धीरे धीरे इरोजन हो के ऐसे जाएगा, दिस विल बी लाइक दिस। Okay, this side also same way, the erosion was from here, gradually erosion will be there, यहाँ तक आया, धीरे धीरे करके erosion बढ़ेगा, बढ़ के ऐसे हो जाएगा, तो it is a what type of valley now? This will be become an I-shaped valley now again. ये region में V-shaped valley became the I-shaped valley here, यहाँ पे ये I-shaped valley बन सकते हैं, I-shaped valley बन जाएगा, इससे I-shaped valley बन सकते हैं ये। This can be turned into an I-shaped valley. I hope it is clear to you all. This valley can be finally turned into a I-shaped valley. ये finally एक valley जो बनेगा वो I-shaped valley बन सकते हैं। Okay, ये वैली आई-शेप्ड वैली बन सकता है फाइनली इट कैन डेवलप इनटू ए आई-शेप्ड वैली, हो सकते हैं। आई-शेप्ड वैली कैन बी फॉर्म्ड हियर फाइनली। ये ऐसा वैली जो है ये था, ये आई-शेप्ड वैली बन सकता है ऐसा फाइनली, इट कैन फॉर्म एज आई-शेप्ड वैली आल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ इरोजन सब्सिक्वेंटली। आब्रासन में V-shaped वैली क्यों होता है, मैंने कहा आपको पहले भी, ये वैली जो है ना, यहाँ पे पहले एक छोटा सा वैली बनेगी, ये वैली धीरे कर करके बढ़ता जाएगा, ये वैली धीरे धीरे बढ़ता जाएगा, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस यू विल हैव लाइक दिस टाइप बढ़ते जाएंगे, वैली डिपेंडिंग विल बी मोर, ग्रेजुअली वैली डिपेंडिंग विल बी मोर। आप सोचो ना इस पे, व्हाई इट विल हैव, लेमिनार फ्लो बोला था मैं, आपका आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड से होंगे शायद, V-shaped वैली इसीलिए होंगे कि डिफरेंशियल ऊपर यहाँ पे अगर चारों तरफ पूरे डेप्थ पे ही समान होगा तो ऐसे होता है, आई-शेप्ड वैली होता। V-shaped वैली क्यों होता है, वाई द वी शेड वैली? बिकॉज ये देखो यहाँ पे जो रेट ऑफ इरोजन है ना, सबसे हाईएस्ट रेट ऑफ इरोजन विल बी एट विच रीजन्स? द हाईएस्ट रेट ऑफ इरोजन विल बी हियर, वर्टिकल कटिंग। यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कम हुआ, यहाँ पे और कम हुआ, यहाँ पे और कम हुआ, यहाँ पे और कट हुआ। जो वर्टिकल कटिंग जो है साइड का वो घटता जाएगा। एट द मिडिल यू विल हैव मोर वर्टिकल कटिंग इज मोर एट द मिडिल पार्ट। ये वर्टिकल कटिंग यहाँ पे इतना है, यहाँ पे इतना है, यहाँ पे ये जो है ना देख रहे हैं, ये वर्टिकल कटिंग कम होते जाएगा। दिस लीड्स टू दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स। ओके, let us look at now. You think about this and I request you to read no other book except chapter number 5 of G.C. Leong. मैंने बताया था आपको different book, different chapter, it is nicely given. I am saying about only G.C. Leong now. Today's session जो है landform related, chapter number 5 from G.C. Leong। और ये अगर नहीं पढ़ना है चलेगा, नहीं पढ़ना है तो क्या पढ़ना है? सो यू नीड टू लुक एट अनदर जियोमेट्री प्रोजेक्ट चैप्टर नंबर 6। chapter number 6, chapter number 7, sorry, from NCERT class 11th, fundamentals of physical geography, this is the book. Chapter number 7, land and their evolution, landform and their evolution, something is given, you will study this. जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मुझे पूछो, आपका मॉनिटर को जो है ना इनको पूछना है। चैप्टर नंबर 7, ओके, ओनली दिस पार्ट। चैप्टर नंबर 6 ऑफ NCERT, इफ यू गॉट माई क्लास डिस्कशन देन इट्स ओके, नहीं तो पढ़ लीजिएगा। क्लास में समझ में आया तो नहीं पढ़ना है, नहीं तो पढ़ना NCERT अगर ज़रूरत है। क्लास 11th की है ये अबाउट वेदरिंग एंड इरोजन है। चैप्टर 5 और एनी वन कोई भी एक पढ़ना है इसमें से, दोनों में से, इधर दिस और दिस, कोई भी एक, नो अदर थिंग्स टू बी स्टडीड। देखिए मेनी टाइम्स सम ऑफ यू आर थिंकिंग सर ये तो पढ़ना नहीं पढ़, there is no shortcut way for your preparation, believe me. In last 22 years of my journey in this field, I found those who studied, they have done well. Believe me, we are the only friend of yours. हम लोग आपका दोस्त हैं. We are here to help out how will clear this exam, not to give you burden. Always take it in positive spirit. जो बोल रहे हैं पढ़िए उसको. Believe me, you will have better understanding. You need to study some basic things. You need to study. Saturday, Sunday, if you have problem, you ask me. If you have lot of problem अगर होता है, you will ask these your mentors. If you will not get it, you can text me if required. Okay, you will get this. So easy these are. You are getting all help from us. Don't worry. Just study. नहीं आता है तो उसको पूछो. Some of you have given question जो कि very. Some of you said about the answer uploading problem. Please talk to. I have already informed this thing to the management. If you have problem in uploading the answer, please connect with your coordinator nearby. By the way, as I just said about this, इस पे ये बहुत ही अच्छा दिया है ये. All the landforms in one chapter here, and this is only about fluvial landform it is given. If you want, based on your approach, your understanding level will be. And मैं इतना कहूँगा आप एक बार अगर ये पढ़ लिया ना, बहुत कुछ एकदम क्लैरिटी यू विल हैव, फुल क्लैरिटी यू विल हैव। चलिए, first your initiative should be to get all these things in the classroom from the classroom discussion। इसके बाद पढ़िए, क्लासरूम डिस्कशन के बाद देखिए इजी हो जाएगा आपको। ओके, in a river if you'll see, I told you that there are source point, head stream, where it joins the ocean known as a mouth, and in between you have transportation. Most dominantly it is the transportation which involve here in between them. Okay, three things I said. So corrosion is there, then we have another one is solution or corrosion. Second process is solution or corrosion। क्या क्या जियोमॉर्फिक प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व है? फर्स्ट आई सेड एब्राशन और corrosion, CORRASION। second I am saying solution or CORROSION, corrosion, solution or corrosion, this is here second, solution or corrosion। CORROSION, corrosion। Now what is there in solution or corrosion? क्या है इस पे? The most important thing about this is solution here is chemical or solvent action of water. It is the chemical or solvent action of वाटर। जो डिजल्व कर जाता है ना, आप सॉल्ट दे के पानी में डाल दो, डिजल्व कर जाएगा, सोल्यूशन है। शुगर डिजल्व इन वाटर, सोल्यूशन। केमिकल और सॉल्वेंट एक्शन ऑफ वाटर इज नोन एज सोल्यूशन। सॉल्वेंट एक्शन ऑफ वाटर इज नोन एज सोल्यूशन। ओके, थर्ड पॉइंट केमिकल रिएक्शन। ओके, ठीक है, कोरोशन और सोल्यूशन। So chemical action here you have like, okay, then attrition, where bombardment between different rock fragments of the river valley, है ना, mechanical loosening or we can say mechanical, that is what you call bombardment, bombardment of boulders, rock fragments, cobbles, pebbles, etc. and development of finer particles। वो आपस में एट्रिशन लड़ाई करेंगे, है ना, एंड ऑल्सो दे ऑल्सो समवेयर फाइनर मटेरियल बन जाएगा। इसीलिए तो इन द रिवर upper reaches you will not get much sand, in the lower part of the river valley you will get mostly sand मिलता है, and at the lowest near the mouth you have clay। तो sand silt clay आपका पार्टिकल साइज धीरे धीरे छोटा होता जाता है। रिवर जहाँ ओरिजिनेट है वहाँ पे सैंड नहीं होगा, वहाँ पे मोस्टली क्या होता है, पत्थर होते हैं, स्टोनी रॉकी फ्रेगमेंट्स, रॉक फ्रेगमेंट, पेबल्स, कोबल्स। देन यू हैव ग्रेजुअली विल हैव सैंडी टेरेन, सैंड होगा, सैंड के बाद फिर सिल्ट होगा, देन क्ले। ओके, सो वी हैव लाइक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ, बेस्ड ऑन पार्टिकल साइज विल बी डिफरेंट हियर। सो एट्रिशन ये कराता है। attrition. Fourth one is hydraulic action. While the water, पानी जब cavity formation कराएगा, while the water flow, mechanically it loosening of the rock takes place. Mechanical loosening of river bed rocks. Loosening means erosion of. Mechanical loosening or erosion of this. I think earlier slide you want. Okay. Earlier slide. Please do this. I am trying my best to go away from the screen. Right. Done? Okay. Hydraulic action or erosion, mechanical loosening or erosion of river bed rocks. So, because of this, what will happen first? We can divide the landform which are developed in the upper or mountainous course, middle course and in the lower course. पूरे जो रिवर का मैंने दिखाया था ना आपको, फ्लो ऑफ द रिवर, दिस इज द अपर कोर्स ऑफ द रिवर. इरोजन ज्यादा जहां होगा, ये कौन सा रीजन है? अपर कोर्स ऑफ द रिवर, माउंटेन कोर्स और अपर valley of river. This is, here it is, middle valley of river. This one here is lower valley of river. ये अपर वैली है, मिडिल वैली है एंड लोअर वैली है. कोई भी रिवर का 3 सेगमेंट है, ये अपर, मिडिल एंड लोअर, है ना. सो देयर विल बी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म एट 3 डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. इफ इट इज अपर वैली, इरोजन विल बी मोर. लोअर वैली नियर द माउथ, डिपोजिशन विल बी मोर. And middle valley, transition of the both transitional zone it will have. It will have a transitional zone. मिडिल वैली में ट्रांजिशन होगा, अपर में इरोजन होगा, लोअर में डिपोजिशन होगा. I hope you got it. You will find it like this: upper, middle and lower. Hope you got it. Right? Fine. Now, next we will see what will happen in the upper reaches of river valley. क्या बनेगा बताइए upper reaches में. In the upper reaches पे फर्स्ट तो लैंडफॉर्म अगर इफ आई गो फॉर लैंडफॉर्म इन द अपर वैली, पहला करेंगे, सेकंड मिडिल वैली लैंडफॉर्म, थर्ड इज द लोअर वैली लैंडफॉर्म. द लैंडफॉर्म विल बी ऑफ डिफरेंट, थ्री डिफरेंट टाइप एट थ्री डिफरेंट जोन. Landforms at the upper valley regions, landforms at the middle valley regions, landforms at the lower valley regions. Now let us look at all this. ये तीनों को देखते हैं. So let us see now क्या है ये. Landforms developed due to developed at the landforms of the upper valley region, upper valley or mountainous region, first one. Whatever rainfall you will have, see, here is a question, sir. There are many valleys and mountain passes. Does the existence of a valley in the mountain means that there is existence of a river? No, not necessarily, because mountain can be developed with a volcanic eruption, as you know. Between two mountains there is a valley. So it can be due to other causes also. Landforms of the upper valley or mountainous region, what are those? यहाँ पे क्या होगा, मैंने कहा था अभी, हाइड्रोलिक एक्शन एंड दिस आर लाइक थ्री थिंग्स डोमिनेट. I told you earlier. Okay, three things will dominate here. क्या क्या था, तीन चीजें यहाँ पे, three things will dominate, I said. Among these, the first and foremost or the most important one is the hydraulic action. Attrition and cavitations, all these also will be there because of the slope and gradient of the river. The hydraulic action will be more also. So पहला फर्स्ट लैंडफॉर्म होगा यहाँ पे क्या, वी शेप्ड रिवर वैली, ये होगा. सेकेंड वन विल हैव लाइक देयर इज वाटरफॉल, you will get. Waterfall leads to development of I-shaped valley. Waterfall leads to the I-shaped valley formation, development of the I-shaped valley. V-shaped river valley you have, V-shaped river valley and I-shaped valley you will have. V-shaped and I-shaped valley. Okay. V-shaped river valley and I-shaped waterfall or I-shaped valley you will have. क्या है I-shaped valley देखिए, V-shaped valley generally you will get, but what is an I-shaped valley? You just look at here, you will find out. This is a waterfall. In some cases even like this here. This is here also will have like this. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? We'll have a like this type, you know. This is a deep profile you will get here. Here you have a deep profile. This is known as the plunge pool. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Plunge pool. Here it is river will plunge, cavity formation. This is the I-shaped valley here. This is waterfall 1. Waterfall 1. This is waterfall 2. Waterfall 2. Here you have the plunge pool. Here you have the plunge pool. Here you have the plunge pool. Plunge pool is here. Because of erosion you have. Okay. In any case, if more resistant rocks are there, नदी में पानी ज़्यादा रहा है, let us say V-shaped valley है, ठीक है, ये V-shaped valley है, why and how it forms transform into I-shaped valley? ये इरोजन अगर ज़्यादा होगा तो I-shaped होगा ना, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. ओके, यू गॉट इट. I-shaped valley. वो I-shaped valley को इसको क्या बोलते हैं? गॉर्ज कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं इसको? GORGE. द I-shaped valley आर कॉल्ड एज गॉर्ज. यहाँ पे I-shaped valley को क्या बोलेंगे? गॉर्ज कहेंगे. I-shaped valley. GORGE, gorge. But here I-shaped valley is this one. This is an I-shaped valley. ये I-shaped valley, straight valley है ना, वो I-shaped valley हो गया. So V-shaped valley turn into I-shaped valley because of more and more downward erosion. नीचे का जो है ना widening होगा नीचे. Vertical erosion अगर ज़्यादा होगा, if more vertical erosion is there, it will form a gorge or I-shaped valley. It will form a gorge or I-shaped valley. Gorge and I-shaped valley. I hope it is, you are getting the things. Again I am saying, due to the increase in vertical erosion of a V-shaped valley, an I-shaped valley will develop. Valley will develop, called as this I-shaped will call as GORG, gorge. It is called as the gorge. I-shaped valley are called as gorge. I-shaped valley are called as gorge, and differential erosion between hard and soft rock in a region may develop a waterfall. Differential erosion of hard and soft rock may develop a waterfall. Waterfall no doubt are of different types. Differential erosion between the hard and soft rock, definitely you will have a waterfall. ये पक्का है कि waterfall बनेंगे. In lower layer of water, lateral erosion is lesser than the upper layer. So how V-shaped valley will be transformed in I-shaped valley? मैंने कहा generally it is against that. कैसे होगा? More water is coming, very hard rock is there, that's why. Okay. If there is any matter of differential erosion of hard rock, soft rock, in that case. Okay. Previous slide is this one. प्लंज पुल कहते हैं, यहाँ पे जो गड्ढा बनेगा ना इसको बोलते हैं प्लंज पुल. Water will plunge into this and form a pool. So plunge pool. It is called as the plunge pool. Plunge pool will be there. Okay. Due to the increase in the vertical erosion of a V-shaped valley, an I-shaped valley will develop. An I-shaped valley. ठीक है, fine. Now I'll move on to the next. So V-shaped valley हो गया, I-shaped valley हो गया. What are the landforms we got it now? V-shaped valley, waterfall, I-shaped valley. Even a I-shaped valley is a gorge. Gorge is also a I-shaped valley. Waterfall is also there. V-shaped valley is found in all river, perennial or non-perennial, everywhere you will get. Okay. Right. Again, I Dodge V-shaped valley only found in perennial river. Right. This is the only question of yours. Fine. Let me now move on to the next. In the upper part, what else you will find out? You said that I said this is V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley. उसके बाद क्या होगा बताओ? What else you will find out? In this case, a very important thing takes place. Differential erosion will be there. Rapid cataracts and the waterfall. Rapids also form. Cataracts. Rapids are small waterfall. ये अगर waterfall हो गया, small waterfall are called as rapids. This is a rapid. And a cataracts. Series of small waterfall here. Series of small waterfalls you have. Series of small waterfall. Series of small waterfall. Okay. They are called as rapids. Rapids. Right? Rapids. This is the waterfall here. Waterfall is this one. This is the waterfall, a series of small waterfall. If I'll give it like rock is like this. Now it will be clear to you. Series of small waterfall, rapids. So these are certain things like some of these will get. Let me now move on to the next. I hope you got it. If here is a river, there are tributaries of these river systems also. This is a river here. This is the main channel. Main channel. This is the tributary here. This is the main channel I said. Main channel is this one. Main stream है इसको बोलेंगे. These are tributary. These are the head of the stream, है ना? Head of the stream. This is the mouth of the stream. You know it. Before a river joins ocean or anything, there are two things you will get. This is like, you know, their small river get fragmented and they form these small rivers. They are called as, these small rivers are there. They are called as, at the mouth you will have these rivers, at the mouth you will find out. These rivers are called as distributary. ये क्या है? Distributary. 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 Now देखिए ये क्या होगा. Head of a stream and the mouth of a stream, I told you. Origin point है ये है. In a river, ये tributaries में, a tributary, this is distributary at the mouth. So tributary, let us talk about, there are different river in a particular region. I hope it is clear. Now, let us say one river is flowing in this way. Okay. Another river is flowing in this way. There are two rivers. एक रिवर ऐसे जा रही है. रिवर A है ये. And river B is originated from here and flowing in this way. River B is this one. Okay. Remember, any river has three types of erosion: headward erosion, lateral erosion, vertical erosion. A river experiences three types of erosion. Three types of erosion. क्या है? Number one, lateral erosion. Second है vertical erosion. Vertical erosion. And third is headward erosion. Headward erosion. Headward erosion. Okay, again I am saying, river experiences three types of erosion: lateral erosion, vertical erosion and headward erosion. Do you know what are these? कोई भी नदी हो, तीन तरह की इरोजन होते हैं यहाँ. एक होता है लेटरल इरोजन. लेटरल मतलब साइड साइड इरोजन होगा. बैंक इरोजन टुवर्ड द बैंक, वाइडनिंग ऑफ द रिवर विल टेक्स प्लेस. ओके. वर्टिकल इरोजन में डीपर इनसाइड, मोर डीपर इरोजन व्हिच मे लीड्स टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वी शेड वैली पहले होगा, उसके बाद आई शेप वैली, एंड इट कैन हैव कैनियन. कैनियन आर वेरी डीप प्रोफाइल. Very deep profile. Canyon. Canyon are much deeper than the gorge. Gorge से बहुत, canyon are much deeper than the gorge. Soft rock में, soft and hard rock if there is somewhere, or subtrough thickness is more, you have a canyon, Grand Canyon on the Colorado River. Okay, Colorado River has a very deep V-shaped valley, then it became turns into I-shaped valley. पूरे deeper होगा. Canyon are much larger than the gorge, very huge one. So vertical erosion leads to, देखो lateral erosion leads to valley widening. Vertical erosion leads to valley deepening. Deep valley you will get, valley deepening. Headward erosion leads to increase in the length of a river. Length of a river, and a river capture. River captured will be there. River captured. ये क्या होता है अभी बताना है मुझे. Again I am saying, river experiences, any river experiences three types of erosion: lateral erosion, vertical erosion and headward erosion. Lateral erosion is valley widening, wide होगा valley. Vertical erosion is deep, depth of the river will be more, deepening. Headward erosion is increase in the length of a river and consequent river capture, and the consequent river capture, river capture हो जाता है finally, and the consequent river capture. Okay, so these are the things here. River capture कैसे होते हैं? What is the process of river capture? How the river capture takes place? Let us see. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all now. I'll now move on to this. आप यहाँ देखो ये. See, let us say this river is flowing in this way. So in due course of time what will happen? ये river का length भी बढ़ेगा आगे ऊपर की तरफ, ये river का length भी ऐसे बढ़ता जाएगा. Time will come, this river here capture this river. How? Valley deepening if it is more, or this river is flowing at the lower height, then this river will capture this flowing river here. ये रिवर को ये कैप्चर करके इधर ले आएगा. ओके, दिस इज पॉसिबल. दिस रिवर में कैप्चर द अदर रिवर हियर. राइट, यू गॉट इट. इट में कैप्चर्ड हियर. यहाँ पे ये रिवर को ये कैप्चर कर सकता है. देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ that the river B, because the length will increase gradually, it may join with this. After this what will happen? This river may turn towards this side. This process is called as river capture. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? River capture or river piracy. River capture or river piracy. How the river length increase in headward erosion? Length नहीं बढ़ेगा, यहाँ पे तो फिक्स है, इधर बढ़ेगा कि नहीं? River was this much, now इधर बढ़ता जाएगा तो रिवर बढ़ेगा नहीं आगे? बताओ, आपको बड़ा आश्चर्य लग रहा है ना? वेरी एस्टोनिशिंग इज नॉट इट. ये रिवर है, रिवर का लेंथ कैसे बढ़ा है? इधर से बैकवर्ड, ये देखो हेडवर्ड इरोजन हो. ओके, दिस इज gradually. ये not every cases, if suitable cases is there. For an example, आपको पता है river Tista. You know about river Tista? Tista river is a tributary of which river? Tista is a tributary of which river? Can anyone tell me? River Tista is a tributary of which river system? Tista is a tributary of now Brahmaputra. Earlier it was a part of Ganga river. गंगा का साथ छोड़ दिया है ना. River Tista, earlier part of the Ganga, today it is draining to the Brahmaputra because of river captured by Brahmaputra river system है. ये देखो पहले उधर था इधर आ गया, उसका मेन कॉज क्या है? River capture is a process in which one river is being overpowered or captured by another river due to differential heating, differential erosion. Here इसका जो डेप्थ है ना, लेट अस से रिवर ए का हाइट ये है, इस हाइट में जा रहा है. रिवर बी का हाइट ये है, माउंटेनियस रीजन होगा, तो ये रिवर इधर जा रहा है, ये रिवर का हाइट इतना है. ये आगे जाके हुए ये पूरा कोलैप्स कर देगा उसी पूरा पर्टिकुलर जो रॉक स्ट्रेटा है और ये ज्वाइन कर लेगा. दिस रिवर ज्वाइन हियर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रिवर ज्वाइन. रिवर कैप्चर इज ए प्रोसेस इन व्हिच one river being captured by another one due to differential erosion. Okay, differential erosion के वजह से एक रिवर और एक रिवर को कैप्चर कर लेता है. Is it clear to you or need any further explanation? Yes. So river B captured the river A upper part. So where it captured, this is known as the elbow of capture. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Elbow of captured. जहां पे कैप्चर कर गया एक रिवर और एक को. ओके, एंड while it captured this river, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ये dry valley you will have a dry valley. In this region you will have a dry valley which is called as wind gap. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? wind gap. The dry valley, यहाँ से पानी नहीं आएगा ना, पानी इधर पे डाइवर्ट हो गया. Now water of this one is getting diverted here. So ये dry valley हो गया. This dry valley is known as the wind gap. This dry valley is known as the wind gap. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Wind gap. The dry valley here it is called as the wind gap. Is it clear to all of you? The dry valley developed due to river capture is called as wind gap, which is in the upper part of the river A. देखो, you look at here, in the upper part of the river A you have this. Here in the upper part got diverted, then you have dry bed. So this is the entire process is river captured, and river capture leads to, as I said, transfer of water from one river valley to another one. River A जो है is captured by river B. Piracy, river Piracy also the called as. Okay, this is something I hope you got it. Now what happened? I hope it is clear to all of you. River Piracy. Now, gradually opposite direction. It is not in opposite direction, my dear. पानी ऐसे ही आएगा. Gradually because of landslide and सभी subsequently no, ये जो erosion क्यों होगा? पहाड़ी इलाके में landslide होता है, बढ़ेगा कि नहीं length? Because of, have you ever seen these things? No. I'll show you tomorrow a video on this one, if possible, if I'll able to prepare that one. There are certain things I'll show you, very interesting. रिवर कैप्चर कल हम एक बार रिव्यू कर देंगे, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा. एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. थोड़ा क्या होता है, पानी जब बारिश जब होगा ना, बिकॉज ऑफ मोर दिस ईयर थोड़ा सा कोलैप्स किया, नेक्स्ट ईयर और थोड़ा कोलैप्स किया, नेक्स्ट ईयर अनदर थोड़ा कोलैप्स करेगा, कोलैप्स कर करके अपर रीजेस से चलते हैं ये. You know how the river originates? Either from a glacier or माउंटेनियस रीजन. और बाहर ज़्यादा बारिश होता है कहाँ पे, तो रॉक क्या है, रिवर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम व्हिच रीजन्स, वेर एवर देयर इज द रॉक स्ट्रेटा इज पोरस एंड परमिएबल है, तभी वो ऊपर से पानी जब बारिश होता है देन दे कम्स डाउन एंड नीचे इम्परमिएबल रॉक, अपर पार्ट यू हैव परमिएबल रॉक. जैसे कि आई विल कीप ए स्पॉन्ज हियर एंड ड्रा वाटर, पानी फेंचूंगा तो क्या होगा, द स्पंज विल ग्रेजुअली टेक अवे वाटर, इट विल स्टोर द वाटर. When it is beyond its carrying capacity due to gravity, water will now it will start flowing. So ऐसे ही होता है. नीचे का रॉक जो है ना हार्ड रॉक है, अपर सॉफ्ट रॉक इज देयर, पोरस एंड परमेबल रॉक, एंड द व्हेन द रेन फॉल दे विल देयर एंड इट ग्रेजुअली subsequently it form a stream and it goes. So what about upper rock is usually soft rock है. If it is soft rock, more rainfall is there, it has erosion rate is more high, because of which there is increase in the length of this river towards its headward. Headward mean towards its origin point. The rock stratus erosion will be more erosion. Rock stratus erosion will be more. Okay, is it clear to all of you? समझ में आया कि नहीं बताइए, क्लियर है? होप यू गॉट इट नाउ, सम आइडिया एटलीस्ट यू हैव नाउ. एज वी आर सपोज टू डू दिस, आई होप आप लोग पढ़ के भी आए होंगे ना. ओके, नहीं पढ़ा है, ठीक है. वी विल सी नाउ, लेट अस सी अगेन समथिंग. और क्या है, दिस मच ओनली इन द अपर पार्ट. रिवर की अपर पार्ट में यही होंगे. इन द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द रिवर वैली वी हैव ऑल दिस थिंग्स. जितना मैंने आपको अभी कहा ये है आपका अपर पार्ट में. सो व्हाट इज देयर, वी शेड वैली यू have a V shaped valley. Okay, very good. Change of Koshi river path, man-made or natural corrosion. अरे ये this is not man-made, this is natural. Okay, man plays as a triggering activity. Man plays. Okay, that is there. In the upper reaches, I said, you have your V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley, gorge, and you have also in the canyon can be gorge and waterfall, cascade, rapids, river capture, river piracy. These are the phenomena associated here. देखो मिडिल केस में क्या बोला मैं, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज देयर. सो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इफ इट इज देयर, इट हैज द लोड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी. देखो ये जो स्लोप था ना, स्लोप घट रहा है ग्रेजुअली, because of which gradient is less. Low gradient leads to less velocity of the kinetic energy of the river. River की जो velocity है कम हो जाएगा. Velocity of the river gradually decreases. Velocity of the river gradually decreases. अगर velocity decrease हो जाएगा, erosion will be less. Sir, at first when B river flows from the source, that was the source of water for B. Yes, that was the source of water. वही source of water जो B का है, वो अगर humid area है mostly और rainfall ज़्यादा होता है, that area you have soft rock हो, humid area हो, तो वहाँ पे जल्दा हो, I mean generally होते हैं, because erosion will be more. Differential erosion से ही होगा. Okay, fine. अभी ये तो हो गया I shaped valley and all this. Transportation will be more here. Now look at this landform at the middle course. Landforms at the middle course of a river valley. रिवर वैली की मिडिल कोर्स में क्या क्या लैंडफॉर्म है. क्या अभी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो यार? लेट मी आंसर योर क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट लेट मी आंसर। इतना बार बोला हूं, तुम समझ तो नहीं पाते हो आप। पढ़ाई करो, रीड एंड रीड एंड रीड, स्टडी करो। कमन देखो यहां, दिस बी रिवर gradually growing up. Why? Collapsing, landslide and all I told you, it length बढ़ता जाएगा। इसका डेप्थ जो है ना, ये रिवर जनरली नीचे होगा, ये रिवर थोड़ा ऊपर हाइट में होंगे, सो इरोजन विल बी मोर हियर। सो कोलाप्स कर करके ये रिवर को टच कर जाएगा। सो फ्रॉम द ए रिवर का पानी ऐसे आ जाएंगे इधर, ये है एल्बो अप कैप्चर। तो ये बी रिवर विल बी मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर नाउ, ए रिवर बिकम वीक, यहाँ पानी नहीं आ पाएंगे। दिस रीजन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, ये रीजन को बोलते हैं विंड गैप। दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर इट इज कैप्चर्ड नोन एज एल्बो अप कैप्चर्ड। ये रिवर का लेंथ घट जाएगा ए रिवर की। ओके फाइन, इज इट ओके? नहीं होगा तो मुझे व्हाट्सएप करना क्या परेशानी है। Landforms at the middle course of a river valley. At the middle course of a river valley, what are the landforms you will get? Tell me, what are the landforms? What type of landform you will have and what are the landforms you will have? Middle course of a river valley. First is, ये जो रिवर जो बहता था ना, दिस इज द ओशियन इन विच दिस रिवर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड। नाउ मिडिल स्टेज में देयर विल बी meandering of the river. Meandering of the river will be there. Rivers will start meandering here. This is because, why meandering? Meandering of meandering. Meandering of river starts here. Meandering of river starts here. Can anyone tell me why the meandering of river will be there? When there is meandering of the river, river start meandering. आप देखो ना एक example, because the gradient is less. Okay, gradient is less. So the river, because of more and more water accumulation, it will have like ऐसे. That is like it will move. जैसे कि आप एक साइकिल चलाते हो, most of you must be knowing about. If you are cycling, है ना, पेडलिंग कर रहे हो, आप somebody will say, okay, without pedaling you go up to certain distance. What you will do? To conserve the energy, you have to sway like this. ऐसे करते हो, है ना? Why? To conserve the energy. The river also, because it is plain regions, you see, plain regions comparatively gradient is very less. So river to conserve the energy in fact, because there is no such energy and lot of sediments they are having, carrying capacity is very less here. So sedimentation होने लगेगा. For that reason the velocity is less and sedimentation will be there, so water will turn, like there will be no straightforward movement, rather the water start meandering here, meandering of the river. Lateral erosion will be definitely high here, and energy is not high. Lateral erosion is more and the energy is not high. Bilkul, very nice, you said clearly, correctly here. So what will happen, very interestingly, क्या होगा यहाँ देखो, in this region, that's why ये है ना, ये बैंक में ज़्यादा इरोजन होगा, देख रहे हैं, here the water is coming from this side, this bank will have more and more erosion. Now this is here, this bank will have more and more erosion. ओके. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, यहाँ पे भी बहुत इरोजन होगा. कहाँ पे? ये दिस बैंक विल हैव मोर इरोजन हियर. सो वेन एवर दिस इज हियर इज इरोजन, erosion will be more in this side, erosion will be more here, erosion will be more here, erosion will be more here. Okay. Because of this erosion, we have a very steep profile here known as cliff. Cliff. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? Cliff. Cliff formation. Cliff. Cliffs will form. Cliff are very deep profile. One end of this particular river valley we have very deep profile known as cliff. Cliff are very deep profile. One end of this will have a cliff, very deep profile. Okay, very deep profile you will have. Okay, I said it will have a very deep profile. Cliff जिसको बोलते हैं. One side you will have the deep profile, another side you will have what? इस तरफ क्लिफ है डीप प्रोफाइल, इस तरफ क्या करेगा वो? डिपोजिट करेगा. जो यहाँ सेडिमेंट हुआ इसको यहाँ क्या करेगा? ये डिपोजिट करेगा. ये डिपोजिशन है. दिस साइड यू हैव इरोजन. इरोजन इन वन साइड, डिपोजिशन इन अदर साइड. Erosion in one side and deposition in other side. Here you have erosion in one side, here deposition in other side. Here you have erosion, here you have the deposition. Yes or no? यहाँ deposition होगा. Here you have erosion, here you have the deposition. Erosion and deposition will go on simultaneously. One side erosion, another side. आपने देखा ना नदी के अंदर वन साइड में पानी होता है और एक साइड में ड्राई. ड्यूरिंग द समर पर्टिकुलरली यू विल सी दिस. वन साइड विल हैव वेरी डीप प्रोफाइल, अनदर साइड विल हैव जनरली यू डोंट हैव द डीप प्रोफाइल. एक साइड में डीप है, अनदर साइड डिपोजिशन है. क्लिफ, स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप, स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप, क्लिफ, लाइक दिस. दिस इज नोन एज द क्लिफ. तो इस तरफ जो है इसको बोलेंगे क्या? स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप. इसको क्या बोले? डिपोजिशन से स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप. ये क्लिफ हुआ इरोजन से, डिपोजिशन से स्लिप ऑफ स्लोप. सो इफ आई ड्रॉ अनदर डायग्राम, आई वुड लाइक टू describe it in another way. You see here, here you have the meandering is there. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. If more and more erosion on this side, one side you have more and more erosion on one side, this side I said more erosion, which equal to cliff. Erosion leads to cliff. Here you have also erosion leads to cliff. यहाँ भी इरोजन हो रहा है. ये इरोजन फेर करके क्या होगा? टाइम विल कम. This is here is erosion है. This side you have deposition. Deposition equal to slip of slope. Here is erosion. This side you have deposition. Here you have deposition. Here you have deposition. And this side you have the more and more erosion. This is erosion. Time will come. क्या होगा बताइए? In future there is a possibility that this will come in this way. or there is a great possibility even on this, like if it will happen, let us say water will go like this, it can enter like this here, ऐसे हो पाएगा, forming this region as comparatively, ये region में क्या होगा, ये पानी ही रहेगा ऐसे, this region here you have the water and this form a lake known as the Oxbow Lake. This is an Oxbow Lake will form finally. It is an Oxbow Lake. सैंडबार यहाँ नहीं होता है. Meander, lateral erosion is more and energy is not high. Yes. सैंडबार नहीं है, सैंडबार नहीं, सैंडबार इज डिफरेंट वन. ओके, चलिए ठीक है. दिस में फाइनली लीड्स टू, ये जो रिवर वैली बनेंगे ऐसे पानी आके देखो आप, द वाटर विल फ्लो इन दिस वे, इट मीन्स द वाटर विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग इन दिस वे, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग इन दिस वे, ये यहाँ पे ऐसे हो जाएंगे. एंड दिस में लीड्स टू, ये जो मैंने कहा अभी, वाटर विल फ्लो इन दिस वे, आई सेड रिवर की पाथ अलग हो गया यहाँ, एंड इन दिस पार्ट यू हैव ए लेक हियर फाइनली. दिस इज द ऑक्सबो लेक. ये ऑक्सबो लेक जैसा बन गया, ऑक्सबो लेक. दिस इज एन ऑक्सबो लेक. So the best formation is the Oxbow Lake formation. Oxbow Lake formation. So the middle part meandering of the river and Oxbow Lake. So here I'll stop it. But I need now questions. Questions, whatever questions you have, let me now look at. Right. Let me now move on to take your questions. Whatever questions you have, please give me. The few questions I got earlier, let me take it from the beginning. I'll start from tomorrow. I'll start from this meandering. Okay, from meandering. Do study it from whatever. It will be better if you go for NCERT. NCERT से पढ़ लीजिए, और आपका चॉइस है, कोई भी एक पढ़ना है, इधर NCERT और GC Leong, कोई भी एक. You can study. This chapter only I am saying, not for all, only this chapter. और कल जो है I will go for other landform. Landforms में बाकी landforms के लिए it will be better if you can go for that, what you call the GC Leong book में भी ठीक है. If you want, you can study. Okay. If the lava tunnels are solidified quickly above the ground and gradually below the surface, then how it can be categorized under negative relief found by the volcano? Good question here. See, lava tunnel के टाइम पे negative कहा जाता है, but after solidification it became a positive features. Tunnel जब तक अंदर inside there is like movement of the magma. If the movement of magma, it is like even sometimes the magma flows there and very thin layer, there is a gap also, like a tunnel like hole also sometime develop. That's why it is a negative category, it is there. कभी कभी क्या होता है, मैग्मा बह जाएगा पूरी तरह से बिकॉज ऑफ स्टीपनेस, स्लोपी रीजन है. सो एक टनल इनसाइड एक होल लाइक सिलिंड्रिकल वे फॉर्मेशन इज देयर, दैट्स व्हाट इज नेगेटिव रिलीफ में लिया है. व्हाई आर लावा टनल्स टेम्पररी नेचर? ये टेम्पररी ये नेचर इसलिए कहते हैं कि यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, no doubt lava tunnels in some cases it depends, like in some region are permanent one, in some part temporary, because collapsing of this takes place in many cases. कोलाप्स कर जाता है इसलिए टेम्पररी कहा. ऊपर से कोलाप्स कर नीचे चले जाते हैं, उद्योग कोर्स ऑफ नीचे का जब ठंडा होता है ऊपर से कोलाप्स होने लगता है जनरली. Sir, at one side we are discussing the upliftment of Himalayas, on the other side the side of the coin, we can observe continuous erosion of Himalaya. So it is an act of isostacy. See, erosion and upliftment will go on simultaneously, and this is true, it is happening everywhere, adjustment. Isostatic imbalances and balancing mechanism is going on continuously. Yes, it is. Why a standard base level is not considered? This I have already answered here. Okay. What other questions you have? Please go ahead. River basin and its floodplain is spread in a particular area. So, how river sedimentation can refill the whole Malda gap? Earlier is the floodplain was covering the total area of the gap. See, earlier the entire जो दोनों steep slide जो बताया ना, all this because of erosion from both the sides. This side Deccan Plateau and that side you have the Himalaya. Erosion from the Himalaya is much more. You said V-shaped valley is formed due to laminar flow. हाँ, ये तो बता दिया था मैं. In the lower layer of water, lateral erosion is lesser than the upper layer. So, how V-shaped valley will be transformed in I-shaped valley? I said, you know, this is only in case of more V-shaped valley, more down cutting is there. मतलब क्या होता है? In the upper, the water flow is more. Certainly, water flow is more, and both sides you have resistant rock. So you have vertical depending will be more. आपने देखा होगा वाटरफॉल के पास जो ना एरिया पानी जहाँ जाता है ना, मेनी केसेस वी हैव इवन द दे कट थ्रू द हार्ड रॉक, इग्नियस रॉक को कट करके जाते हैं. तो कंटिन्यूअस हैमरिंग विल बी impact is responsible for that. Okay. Although the velocity of water in erosion stage is more compared to the transportation stage, yes, but why most of the hydroelectric dam is considered on the transportation region? My friends, अगर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन रीजन्स में अगर करते हो कहीं पे, बिकॉज ऑफ टू एडवांटेजेस. वन इज स्टोर, इफ यू प्रिपेयर ए डैम देयर you can store water, okay, and you can use it. But if in the slopy region, it's very difficult. Even infrastructural development is not possible. In some cases, it is there. कुछ केसेस में है ऐसा. आपने अपर रीचेस में जैसे क्या, you can go and see, as I said, that Duduma waterfall, Duduma, DUDUMA, माचकुंड रिवर है. पूरे ऊपर से पानी आ रहा है, उस पे पड़ते हैं. It is in the upper part. In some cases, even we have diverted water, making artificial waterfall. Indravati project is like this hydropower project. It depends on suitability of the place. But while you will go for hydropower project, you require, like, if you will check dam, two things will happen. Irrigation, multi-purpose project, we have multi-purpose ambition, not only power production, irrigation, navigation, fishing, and of course electricity generation. That's why we prefer this. So if you will keep this water for long in a dam, huge area will get benefit out of this. Both positive and negative is there, but positive aspect is also more. That is the cause. Soil erosion after isostasy. After isostasy will be different. Base level may change. अगर ऊपर उठ जाता है, then again erosion will be there. If the landmass got uplifted, again there will be erosion. So again if there is erosion, it is a rejuvenation of the land. ऊपर चला गया, फिर erosion start हो जाएगा, फिर बढ़ेगा erosion. That is possible. Rejuvenated land we call it. Rejuvenation of the landmass. Dutch plain is more denser than the plateau. See, oceanic surface oceanic surface or ocean floor is much denser than the continental part. ये तो है. Ocean plate is much denser than the continental plate. So because it is made up of what? Made up of basaltic materials. I told you denser है इसीलिए. So definitely there denser plate. Does plane is more denser than the plateau? Yes, yes it is there. इसीलिए तो बैलेंस होता है, आइसोस्टेटिक बैलेंस इसी के हिसाब से. रिवर कैप्चर एज एन एक्सटेंट. व्हाट इज द एक्सटेंट ऑफ मालदा फॉल्ट फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट? वेट मालदा फॉल्ट के लिए हम आएंगे, आपको बताएंगे. आई विल गिव यू इन ज्योग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया विल डू दैट माय डियर. करेंगे ना ये, आपको दिखाएंगे कैसे, हाउ दिस प्लेन वाज फॉर्म्ड ऑल. सो रिवर कैप्चर अगेन आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन सम. वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड इज सेइंग, देखो यहाँ पे लुक एट केयरफुली. Here is one river is flowing, right? While river flow is there, you have headward erosion also there. धीरे धीरे बढ़ता जाता है. ये river 1 है. River 2 is also originated from here in this way. यानी कि ये माउंटेनियस इराजा, ये जरूर माउंटेनियस रीजन ही होगा. ये माउंटेन के ऊपर ही हो सकता है ये सब चीजें. सो यहाँ पे दिस रिवर विल ऑल्सो ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज. ये इधर जाता रहेगा. क्यों? लैंडस्लाइड होगा और इरोजन होके ये मास वेस्टिंग होता है ना, ये पूरे रीजन कोलाप्स कर जाता है. बहुत बारिश हुआ, कोलाप्स कर गया. ये अपर वाला एरिया जो है जहाँ पर सोर्स रीजन है, हियर ऑल्सो समटाइम्स कोलाप्सिंग ऑफ दिस टेक्स प्लेस. आपको ओरिजिन रिवर ओरिजिन प्लस को जाए पॉइंट को जाइए. रिवर ओरिजिन पॉइंट इज लाइक दिस. यू सी इट इज हियर. लेट अस से वेरी हार्ड रॉक. इसके ऊपर ये एक सॉफ्ट रॉक की लेयर होगा. ठीक है, सॉफ्ट रॉक की लेयर. सो व्हाइल द वाटर फॉल्स ओवर दिस रीजन्स, जब बारिश होता है पानी गिरेगा तो क्या होगा फिर? द वाटर यूजुअली फ्रॉम हियर इट विल गोज आउट. फ्रॉम हियर यहाँ से पानी कहाँ जाएगी फिर फ्रॉम हियर द वाटर विल फ्लो. ऐसे होते ऐसे चले जाएगी पानी, है ना. दिस इज एट द स्ट्रीम. एज ए स्ट्रीम इट गोज लाइक दिस. पानी ऐसे जाते हैं. वाटर विल फ्लो इन दिस वे. फ्रॉम हियर पानी ऐसे चला जाएगा. फ्रॉम हियर वाटर विल गो लाइक दिस. ड्रेन कर जाएगी यहाँ से. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपन, ये जो एरिया ना यहाँ पे, ये जो जहाँ से निकला है, धीरे धीरे करके इधर इरोज करके इरोज करते ऐसे जाएगी. ये भी ऐसे इरोज करते करते यहाँ तक आ जाएगी. इरोजन बढ़ता जाएगा. फॉर दैट सो इट इज एडवांसिंग इन दिस वे. टाइम विल कम, दिस रिवर विल कम्प्लीटली यहाँ तक आया, देन पानी को लेवल को इधर पे डाइवर्ट कर देगा. ये इट विल डाइवर्ट द वाटर फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू दिस साइड. दिस रीजन दैट्स व्हाई इज कॉल्ड एज द एल्बो ऑफ कैप्चर. क्या कहते हैं इसको? एल्बो ऑफ कैप्चर. एल्बो ऑफ कैप्चर इसको कहा जाता है. एल्बो ऑफ कैप्चर. एल्बो ऑफ कैप्चर. एंड दिस रीजन इज नोन एज हियर. ये रीजन को क्या कहते हैं? ये रीजन जो है, दिस रीजन फाइनली, ये पानी को अगर इधर से ले गया तो यहाँ पे ये ड्राई रहेगा. ये वैली रीजन विल बी ड्राई एंड दिस रीजन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? विंड गैप. क्योंकि यहाँ पे पानी और नहीं होगा. पानी क्योंकि इधर का पानी इधर चला गया. द वाटर फ्रॉम दिस साइड गोज इन दिस वे टू द रिवर नंबर 2. सो रिवर नंबर 2, सेकेंड रिवर इज capturing the first river. Second river captured the first one. So river piracy by second river which captured the river 1 in this case. Okay. So this case we have Tista was shifted subsequently to Brahmaputra river, I said, from Ganga. Now I hope you got it now. Lava acid gas, how to create one? I haven't got your question properly. Lava acid gas, how to create? What does it mean? I think you are asking about how you have acidic lava you will get. That's maybe the question. And gaseous material. See, lava formed because of melting. Below, while a plate moved below another plate, because of geothermal energy, temperature increases. So, you have like melting of the plate takes place and you have molten material. This molten material leads to formation of lava chamber and it come off. Now, if it is oceanic plate, you will have more basalt. So, basaltic it will be, lava will be more basaltic. Or whenever the continental plate melts away, we have more acidic one. That is what I said. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope all of you got it. Tomorrow I will start from this and hopefully at least 2 to 3 landform we will able to discuss. Tomorrow I will go for wind erosion. I will show you slide how the landforms are there. कुछ photo भी दिखाएंगे कल. I will complete this fluvial case. I will go for the arid and the glacial case if possible. जो भी है as per your planner will go. So do study and come. Thank you very much. Do study from your NCERT और GC Leong. For the timing आप उसको देखना है. मैं ये कहूँगा इसीलिए कि these are very fundamental basic things and rest I will discuss in the class. Any problem, get back to me. कुछ है तो बताइए. And I hope that you are getting the things. If any problem where you are stuck with any concept or anything, talk to your nearby coordinator or your mentor, or else please SMS me also. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Thank you.